Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Marshawn, aka the bald head girl. If it's not, hey girl, take a seat. Let's chat, let's talk makeup. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Marshawn Wise, aka the bald head girl. If this is your second time coming back to watch another video, thank you for supporting me. I am just going to show you guys how I do my makeup every day on a daily basis. Where am I going? Nowhere. If you hear a little noise, I have the heater on my feet because my feet is freaking freezing, so just disregard. First and foremost, I'm gonna go in with my Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base, and I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna double prime today because sometimes I just want my face to be nice and hydrated before I put any product on my face. I'm gonna go into my Fenty Beauty soft matte primer, and I'm gonna give me like 3 or 4 pumps, and I'm just gonna rub this in like lotion. This is like the best freaking primer right now. You know, guys know I love Milk, but this primer just like blurs my skin and have my skin looking very like lush and just beautiful. For my foundation today, I am going to go into one of my oldie but goodie foundations, and this is the Fenty Beauty and Hydrating, the Hydrating Longwear. I like to use hydrating when it's cold outside because my face needs to have all the moisture it's going to have. I'm going to put a little bit of my NARS soft matte soft matte foundation in New Caledonia, just a tad bit, just to kind of mix it. I don't know why. That's just the coverage I'm going for today. Also going to take my Charlotte Tilbury and spray this, lock it in just a little bit, and I'm taking my Morphe 439 brush and blend this out. I'm going to take my Juvia's Place concealer in number 12 and just highlight my face. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it in this area like very lightly, because once I go to blend it out, it's still going to spread everywhere. So I don't want to put too much concealer on my face. This is like one of the best affordable concealers like that's on the market right now, is the Juvia's Place, because it's so freaking creamy and just breathtakingly beautiful. For contour, you guys know that I love my Juvia's Place Stick and Catsina. It's like the perfect shade. Like I'm literally like almost out, and I'm gonna use this to contour. See how that foundation still have kind of like a glow, and then of course I use my Glossier Future Dew. You guys know that it's like amazing if you guys haven't like got your hands on it. So just when I'm contouring, I'm looking for that bone that's on there, and I'm just following my natural. Take this and just emphasize my top lip just to kind of give me a more like pouty look. Literally right there. I'm gonna take this Milani Conceal and Perfect and Warm Almond, and I believe this is like my skin tone. Let's just hope. And I'm just gonna literally right underneath. Oh, it's just a little bit lighter. Taking my Smashbox Blur Foundation brush. You guys know this is my freaking favorite to blend out that contour. Just give you a nice, seamless, beautiful blend. You guys know I'm gonna take my concealing what is this, the blurring concealer brush by Smashbox, and blend this out in my underneath my eyes. Okay, so now that I have that all blended out, just a nice seamless blend, it is beautiful. And look how my future douches peeping on through, giving me a nice glow to the skin. I am gonna take my Pat McGrath concealer in M15. I haven't used this in so freaking long, and I don't know why. And it's just a lot like lighter than that first concealer I put on. And I'm just gonna go just to kind of give myself just a little more elevated highlight. It's the first time here on my channel. You guys know that I love a bright highlight. And with my concealer brush and blend this out, lightly tapping this. The good thing about this concealer is you really can't go wrong with this concealer. But I'm gonna start with at the bottom, and then I'm gonna work my way up just to kind of let it dry down just a little bit more right in the top area. Okay, so I know I'm looking crazy, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my beauty blender and tap this in. By me putting it on, I kind of went kind of like OD on it, so I'm gonna take this beauty blender just to kind of take some of that product away as I'm blending. Okay, so this is how we're looking so far, which is not bad. I really wish I can get my under eyes to pop just a little bit more, but I dare not to put another concealer on because it'll kind of make my face just look cakey. I am gonna take my Pat McGrath. It's filthy, it is so dirty. I'm gonna take my Pat McGrath setting powder in medium 3, and I'm gonna set underneath my eyes as a first setting powder. Just setting that into my skin. It's literally like melting into my skin like butter. This is kind of like my favorite part of like doing makeup, just watching everything go from like dewy to just matte. Like, oh, stunning. Taking that setting powder and just literally carving my cheeks. So now that I have that set, what I'm going to do now is I want to go into my second setting powder, Blondie by Huda Beauty. And I'm going to take this, and this is where the brightness comes in underneath my eyes. Taking the extra excess off and literally going in and set. I just love a bright under eye. Now it is time for me to bronze. I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Tapping this is a Morphe M527 brush. I don't know how I feel about this brush just yet for bronzer, but I mean, it's gonna do what it do today. Okay guys, so now that I have my lashes on, I just put some bronzer in my eye, and then I have something in my eye. This little trick that I like to do is I like to go in with my NC42 in Max with a Sephora number 79 brush. This is a contour brush, but I use this to just take this, tap it in there, tap the excess off, and literally just go right underneath. Sometimes it tends to get lost, so I'm just going in, just tap all of that in. Now is it time for blush. Blush is like literally one of my favorite things. I cannot leave my house without. I don't even know how I did makeup without blush. Like what was it? Please, Sarah Hand Blush Volume 1. I don't know why I keep getting this mixed up with 2. And the Bella Blush by Juvia's Place. This is literally like the best blush for brown skinned women, both of these really. And it's just, I don't even use everything else. Like, I just use the blushes. So I'm gonna go in with Toby. It's a like a orange corally blush. Orange blush on black women is a hit. Like, if you don't do that, what you doing, sis? So taking that, I really like just go OD, tap the excess off, and I'm literally very lightly tapping this into my cheeks. I take the coral one and just do the same thing. For my all over setting powder, I'm going to use my Laura Mercier in medium deep with the same powder brush. I am a firm believer in just layering my products, so I am going to go into my Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and this is in deep and set my face. Micro Smooth just is literally do exactly what it says it's doing, like smoothing. Chestnut. So I couldn't tell you guys what I put on my lips. I used cork, and then I went and lined it with chestnut because they just came in the room in the house and it's just making a whole lot of noise. I'm so happy. I'm pretty much freaking done. I take Eartha by Oma. Let's see if we focus. Eartha by Oma Beauty. This is like the perfect mood. I need 2 chestnuts. Take Lime Crime Extra Poppin'. You guys know this is my jam, and I am going to put it on my lips, really emphasizing it here. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I literally can't even record no more because everybody just came home and they're making too much noise. So sis, I can't even talk and tell y'all stuff even if I wanted to. So this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to join the family. I mean, girl, this is probably your 3rd video you done watched already. You ain't gonna hurt nobody if you just subscribe to my channel. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Bye.